Developers lose countless hours fiddling with framework issues, looking up syntax, and writing boilerplate code. These mundane tasks break flow and reduce satisfaction, slowing velocity and increasing churn. You've likely heard of generative AI tools like ChatGPT, but did you know that GitHub has a tool to help developers stay in the flow, be happier, and more productive? I'm talking about GitHub Copilot, your AI pair programmer. GitHub Copilot sits alongside your developer in their IDE. It currently supports Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, NeoVim, and the JetBrains suite of editors. Now, GitHub Copilot is there to assist your developers. Based on the context of what they're working on, GitHub Copilot provides suggestions directly in their editor. Your developer makes the judgment call on whether to accept or reject a suggestion. Once accepted, they should put it through your usual build, test, and security validation process, just like any code that your teams create. Developers can provide context using comments and work with GitHub Copilot through line-by-line suggestions, or by evaluating several multi-line suggestions at once and selecting the option that suits best. We've carried out extensive research into GitHub Copilot and how it can benefit your development teams. By using the Space Productivity Framework and surveying more than 2,000 developers, we've found that 96% felt faster with repetitive tasks, 88% said they were more productive, 74% could focus on more satisfying work, and 73% felt more in the flow. In a separate study with 95 professional developers, we found that those using GitHub Copilot created an HTTP server in JavaScript in 1 hour 11 minutes compared to 2 hours 41 minutes without. That's 55% less time. Focusing on your team's developer experience is crucial in making them feel productive, valued, and efficient. By investing in the latest tools, you're providing an environment where teams can prototype new ideas more rapidly and innovate faster, aiding in retention of staff and attracting new talent as well. So, why not try out GitHub Copilot for Business today?